So these are the ingredients that we need for our almond cake. We need 1.5 cups of self-raising flour that's already sifted. We need 4 eggs, so these are egg whites. We need 1 cup of almond flour. We need a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of baking powder. These are the egg yolks, 4 of them. Then we need some sugar, granulated sugar. Then we have our almond flakes for on top and unsalted room temperature butter. So these are the things we need and the tools we need. So let's begin. Let's go. Okay everyone, so what we need for the almond cake, these are the tools we need. We need a whisk, we need a spatula. We need one of these, which is great, that outlines some butter or oil into your tin for when we put the mixture in. And we need a bowl. And then we're going to get to the ingredients. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, we are going to whisk for 5 minutes the egg whites. Okay, so after you've whisked the egg yolks, it should look like this with the peak on top. So let's go with the rest of it. So the next thing that we're going to do, we are going to put in the egg yolks, the 4 egg yolks, into the bowl along with your sugar. So then we're going to whisk these together and add the rest of the ingredients in. We're going to add in the almond flour. We're going to add the flour. Remember, only put in what you need and put in the milk as you go. So the next thing that we're going to do is, after we've whisked everything, is to put in the egg yolks. And after we have done this, we're not going to whisk it, we are going to fold it in bit by bit. So nice and gently, we're going to fold it. Till it all mixes in. So this is what it should look like after you have folded the egg whites in with the rest of the mixture, so that there's no air pockets, and this is what it will look like. And now we're going to transfer this into our baking tin that we have greased already with the butter. And I'm going to pour this now into our tin. No. Okay, so now that we're done putting it into the cake tray and the greaseproof paper underneath and also lined with butter. So now the oven is hot, and before we put it in, we're going to put in the almond flakes on top. Just going to put a good few on. It's going to be really, really nice. Just cover the top with it. Now we're going to put this in the oven for about 40 minutes. We're just going to keep an eye on it, and then we're going to take it out and show what it looks like at the end. Okay everyone, so I'm just after taking this out of the oven. It looks absolutely delicious, smells absolutely delicious. So we had it in for 40 minutes, and I'm just going to leave it cool now for another couple of minutes, and then we're going to take it out and slice it and see what it's like. So I'll be back to you in just a moment. Okay, so guys, this is after the cake has cooled down for a good few minutes, and it looks absolutely stunning, gorgeous. So now we're going to dust it with some ice and sugar. lovely and moist on the inside.